See how Service Operations Workspace will change how ServiceNow works for you. Hello, I'm Chad Corvo, Technical Marketing Manager here at ServiceNow. So who is this session for? It's both for IT and service operations leaders. And according to the IDC, the pandemic was a catalyst for 78% of the organizations worldwide to commit to a digital-first strategy. So what does that mean for you? Well, we've listened. We've heard that the lack of visibility into service disruptions, slow problem and root cause identification has been an issue, and employees are unable to get the services they need when they need it. And our answer to this is Service Operations Workspace. So what is that? It's one of the tools in your tool chain. It's a unified experience for both IT service and operations leaders. And how does it look? Well, it looks like this. This is Service Operations Workspace, and it's in our next experience, and it's a modern look and feel with a unified navigation. And instead of talking about it, let's go ahead and see it in action. So here it is, folks, Service Owner Workspace. It is SOW. Technology teams can manage both IT and operation services from the single intuitive interface that you see here. And for the sake of this demo, we are logged in as a help desk agent, and her name is Lakshmi. This is a configurable workbench. It's an epicenter where Lakshmi even adjusts the displays, the accessibility, the themes, the workspace style, so it's highly configurable. In this SOW workspace, our agent can analyze incidents, change requests, catalog tasks, even view announcements and upcoming events. Also, she can analyze team performance, all in the single page that we see here. And as we saw, the graphs and information provided are completely dynamic. Therefore, the information that is of interest will always be front and center for our agent's review. So here we can see that our agent has one incident on hold. Why is this on hold? Well, this is a virtual agent conversation, and it was auto-assigned and auto-routed with ServiceNow's advanced work assignment to our agent. And as we can see, all the at-a-glance details are provided in this card view. Now, this task record view is where SOW really begins to do a lot of the heavy lifting for our agent. In the Details tab, we can see the fields were auto-populated with key details. This means that the agent saves time not manually filling out forms and information in this record. Also, in the Related Records tab, we can see that the ServiceNow platform provides key information around task SLAs, as well as affected CIs. So these configuration items, we can see the owners or the groups that support the CIs. And once again, this saves our agent time from calling around or searching various databases, and it offers crucial time that this agent may not have. Now we're looking at ServiceNow's recommendation framework. It's an application that provides a framework with relevant, contextual, actionable recommendation for our agents to use. And here we can see it's suggesting a major incident. Now, historical recommendations offers our agent archival knowledge around similar fixes or events. Now, Agent Assist is predictive intelligence in focus. This provides agents like Lakshmi AI-driven results that show possible solutions for records. And ServiceNow's predictive intelligence pulls in this AI-driven search results based on information from the various fields in our record. Now, Lakshmi can further leverage AI functionality by using some of her own specific topic searches. And by doing this, she may have pulled in other incidents based on colloquial terms specific to the enterprise. And we can see some of the incidents that came up are similar to employee storms issue. Now, as Lakshmi digs into all these details, the more research she's doing around the root cause, the more it's looking like it is a major incident. So let's go ahead and attach all these similar items, and we're going to level this information up to a parent incident. Now, we also see that Agent Assist offers a wide range of specific information around similarly resolved incidents or current outages or knowledge base articles. And we can see these knowledge base articles can come from across knowledge base repositories. So here, our agent sees a troubleshooting guide and she can attach this, mark it as helpful, attach it, and this can be submitted to all the employees that have submitted tickets. And as we switch gears here, we see that our agent pushes this information out in real time to help the employees, really up-leveling the employee experience. We also can see it's in MS Teams. So employee has the message that was automatically pushed out from our agent. And again, this really highlights how ServiceNow meets agents and employees in the products and solutions of their choice. And here is the KB article to help Storm and others with their issues. As we come back to SOW, the ServiceNow platform offers Lakshmi key details in determining the severity of this incident. And by leveraging the recommendations framework that we saw earlier, Lakshmi goes ahead and proposes this as a major incident. But what's even cooler, there's experts on call. So Lakshmi can reach out to experts on call for high priority tasks like this one. And we can see Amelia Bryant from our IT operations team appears to be on call, and it's based on the impacted service information. So let's connect with this subject matter expert for a bit more insight. So this is the MS Teams War Room. Now for this enterprise, the MS Teams is the collaboration tool of choice. So we can see once again, ServiceNow's platform is able to deliver a seamless experience when even gathering the troops. Information such as descriptions, impact, urgency, all around this incident are brought over in detail, really helping different departments and teams across communication channels quickly understand and assess what's going on. We can see that Amelia, our IT operations team member, starts a video conference call with Lakshmi. We can also see that Amelia was already working on a fix with her team and shares some of the information on that service map findings with our agent. So this is a good place to jump off into IT operations management. And since we're introducing Amelia and an operations team, let's go ahead and do that. Now, please note that on ITSM and ITOM timelines, these activities are fluid, and this activity could happen in tandem, or in this case, even before a major incident activity happened. So here is Service Operations Workspace in the Next Experience UI for our operations team. And here we can see this is our services dashboard. And once again, the ServiceNow platform provides each team the right information at the right time. And in this case, event and business services are strategically scoped by severity breakdowns and color-coded according to status, even quick tile views to gain better understanding. Amelia can also filter these events by alerts coming in, and this is now where Service Operations Workspace for operations teams really begins to shine. Here in our Summary tab, Amelia is provided machine learning and AI insights, such as identified issue and anomalous behavior activities. In our recommendations, we see that the recommendations that are provided are more specific to this particular activity and is a slightly different view than what we saw on the service desk side. So Amelia can leverage this helpful information and kick off a remediation process that we see here. Again, the great thing is that Service Operations Workspace provides each team the right solutions to achieve each team's goals. In this case, Amelia was able to expand the disk space to address the disk space issues that she found. So let's head back to our service desk and close out our MS Teams War Room call. We can see in the video all the information from the activities has been carried into the video meeting chat. We can see the call ended and the teams have come together with a multifaceted workaround to address both teams' objectives. As Lakshmi returns to her service owner workspace, we can see all the communications and all the activities in various channels have been captured in this activity stream. Now, Lakshmi can leverage the historical information from the workaround. Also, all this information follows the full life cycle of this issue and can be leveraged for audits or future workarounds. So next, Lakshmi will kick off a resolve incident workflow process. In this case, it was a workaround since the operations team is working on something even bigger
across a few business processes. We can see the incident state has updated, which has kicked off a series of events. And instead of sending out a slew of emails on the fix and the resolution around it, our agent is allowed to continue on with other pressing tasks. And because of ServiceNow's workflow process, we can see on Storm's Now mobile app, he's received a notification on this fix. And that's it. That is the end of our demo.
And so that's it. This is how we bring your technology services and operations together, delivering your foundation for a digital-first growth. And what does that look like? Well, it's putting services and operations together. And how do we do that? Well, by doing that, we really expand technology services and reduce your costs. Also, we're delivering those extraordinary employee experiences as well as the resiliency around that. Finally, we're driving technology best practices and we're optimizing your processes, but don't take my word for it. Customers are really loving the new direction of this workspace. This is impressive. So I hope it's impressive for you. That concludes my time. And with that, I want to thank you for spending your time with me.